Hello dear students, in this video we will solve some multiple choice questions asked in different engineering and medical entrance examinations. These questions are based on the acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. If you have still not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel, like the videos and share with your friends. Also write the comments so that upcoming videos may be improved. Now let us see the first question. The question is, the xt graph for a particle performing simple harmonic motion is given in the figure. The acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 4 by 3 second is. Solution to question 1 from the figure. T is equal to 8 second, time taken in one complete cycle. Therefore, omega, angular velocity omega will be equal to 2 pi by t, 2 pi by 8, which is pi by 4 radian per second. Also, amplitude r is equal to 1 centimeter. Now, acceleration in simple harmonic motion is given as a is equal to minus omega square into x, which may be written as omega square into r sin omega t. Omega is minus pi by 4 its square into r is 1 into sin omega is pi by 4 into t is 4 by 3 second. 4 by 3 . So 4 cancels out. Pi by 3 means 60 degree, sin 60 degree, which gives minus pi square upon 32 root 3 centimeter per second square. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 2. The question is, if x, v, a and t denote displacement, velocity, acceleration and time period respectively for a particle executing simple harmonic motion, then which of the following does not change with the time? So, solution to question 2. First we see a t upon x can be written as omega square x upon x into t, because acceleration is equal to, numerically equal to omega square into x. X cancels out and we get omega square into t. Omega may be written as 2 pi by t, its square into t. So we get 4 pi square upon t, which is constant. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 3. The question is, the amplitude of a particle executing simple harmonic motion with frequency 60 Hz is 0.01 meters. The maximum value of the acceleration will be. Now solution to question 3. We know magnitude of maximum acceleration is equal to omega square into A. Here this can be written as 2 pi f square into A. 2 pi into f is 60 square into A is 0.01. So we get 4 pi square into 3600 into 0.01. 0 cancels by this and we get 144 pi square meter per second square. So the correct option is A. Now question number 4. The question is two simple harmonic motions of angular frequency 100 radian per second and 1000 radian per second have same displacement amplitudes. The ratio of their maximum acceleration is. Now solution to question 4. Here given R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, which is amplitude. Omega 1 is 100 radian per second and omega 2 is 1000 radian per second. Then we have to find the ratio of the maximum accelerations. So A1 maximum upon A2 maximum, here it is minus omega square into R1 upon minus omega 2 square upon R2. R1 and R2 being same cancel out and this gives omega 1 upon omega 2 whole square, which is 100 upon 1000 whole square means 1 upon 100 or 1 upon 10 to power 2. So the correct option is B, 1 is to 10 to power 2. Next question, question number 5. Question is a particle executing simple harmonic motion has maximum acceleration 24 meter per second square and maximum velocity 16 meter per second. The amplitude of simple harmonic motion is. Now solution to question 5. Here given for simple harmonic motion V maximum is 16 meter per second and A maximum is maximum acceleration 24 meter per second square. Then we have to find amplitude. Now A max is omega square into R, B max is omega into R cancels out and we get omega. So omega will be equal to 24 upon 16, which is 3 upon 2. Therefore B max is equal to R omega, gives R as B max divided by omega. B max is 16 and omega is 3 by 2. So we get 32 upon 3 meter. So the correct option is A.